This video is for you, Bhaskar sir. A gratitude from my side, right? You're my guru, you're everything. Okay. I'm super duper happy and excited today, right? ये सिर्फ मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहा हूं मेरा हैप्पीनेस ठीक से, आई थिंक, बट guys, this is gratitude from my side to all the people in the OPM, ARP, Bhaskar sir, and all the team members of Bhaskar sir. Okay, and the reason is today I have closed 11 people for my L2 program, and you know how? जो दो लोग मेरे पास सीख रहे थे L2 में, they were from my office, and उनकी प्रोग्रेस, उनके वीडियोस मेरे ऑफिस में कुछ लोगों ने देखे, and they have come together and decided that they also want change in their life, in their confidence. Speak with confidence, and they also want to become a charismatic leader. So 11 people, they have registered, they have paid me half fees, and on 7th they are going to pay me rest of the amount. So I'm super duper excited for my next batch. Now there are 14 people, not 14, 15 people confirmed, and tomorrow again I have a workshop. So let's see, let's hope for the best, and I'll try to close more. Okay, more energy to you, Bhaskar sir, and all the team members. Thank you.